Alright, here's the sump pump under Mom's house. This is the east end of the house. It's filling up with water. I have a hose run in here. Water level's rising. Getting ready to trip the valve, the float valve. Turn on the pump. There it goes. Now the water level is falling as the water is pumped out. And when it gets down, it shuts off. And there it's off. I have it wedged in between some bricks. It's sitting on a piece of a concrete block. I have a piece of PVC pipe run through the handle into another piece of PVC pipe that runs to the side of the hole for stability so it won't twist. And everything's good.